Hi traders, this is Subhan from 200forex.pips.com. So guys, I am here with a very big announcement that I am going to help you straight with your forex trading decisions. So guys, how I am going to help you with your forex trading decisions? Basically, I am going to announce that I am going to give my signal service for free for some particular traders. So what are those particular traders who will get the free forex signals directly on their WhatsApp from my side without paying any fee? You will get the free signals. Yes guys, you can now get the free signals. And guys, what is the procedure? So basically, first of all, you need to join the broker link that I have given in the description of this video below. This is the Exness broker that is 100% regulated. You can check its reputation from Google, and that's a regulated and 100% trusted broker. So you can deposit your funds with this broker by using different payment methods that are available on their website, and also they have a live chat option. And this is not a scam broker. You can check it. I'm again repeating, you can check it from Google reviews. It has high reviews that are into the positive side, and it is the regulated broker, and it is nothing to do with the scam. Okay, so basically, when you deposit, then definitely you will also be able to withdraw your funds as well. And my many subscribers are already using this broker. So guys, this is the announcement for all those subscribers who are using the different brokers. They need to come on to Exness right now. And guys, what will be the benefit when you join Exness? I am giving this link in the description of this video below. So once you join this broker, contact me. I will give you free signals, and hopefully the signals will be for the lifetime, or will be for the trading period. That will you when you will be trading, you will get the signals from my side. That will be completely free. Okay, so when you will stop trading, the signals will also get stopped. So make sure that once you join this broker from the link that I am giving in the description of the video below, then you need to contact me on WhatsApp, or you can also email me with your account number that Exness will provide you, so that I will check at my end. So basically, I will be like your account holder, that I will be following that which are my affiliates into the Exness, and I will check my affiliate account, and I will see that either if you are in my into my group or not. So if you will be into my group, then guys, I will be going to help you straightforward with the forex trading signals. So I give signals on gold, I give signals on currency pairs. So what I will do, I will send you the scalping signals on gold, sometimes long signals, and also on the different currency pairs I will send the signals for free. Okay, one more thing here is about in this video, that's you need to understand this thing. The signals will be free for the minimum $1,000 investment accounts. If your investment is less than $1,000, then guys, I will be not going to provide the signals. So make sure you must have minimum $1,000 in your account. And one thing, you will be eligible for getting the signals from my side. I will send the signals instantly on WhatsApp. Whenever I will find an opportunity, I will send it over the WhatsApp, and you can copy the signal and you can trade as per your decisions. Okay, and one more thing, guys, if your account size is big, then you will get maximum signals, and you will get the very good support from my side. I will personally try my best to handle you with every situation. I will tell you that what to do, what not to do, and I will tell you each and everything about the forex market. So you will be under my coaching, and I will teach you that how you can become a profitable trader into the forex market. So guys, make sure that you join the Exness broker from the link that I have given in the description of this video below, because if you directly copy the link from the website, then you will not be under my group. So make sure, if you want to join my group, then you can you join it from the description of this video below. Then contact me with your account number. You can email me on info@200forexpips.com. You can also send me your account number on WhatsApp. I will check it at my end that either you are into my group or not. And once you will be in my group, that once it will be verified, then guys, you will simply start getting signals from my side, and I will definitely help you. So just make sure that your account investment should be minimum $1,000. And those investors who have a big investment in the forex market, they can contact me directly. Then I will plan a custom special coaching program for them, in which I will tell them that how they can get the benefit from the signals. So basically I will arrange a WhatsApp call, and whatever I will do, so I will teach you more in detail on WhatsApp. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this video is going to change the future trading of yourself, and you will be now going to be a very good forex trader. So guys, make sure that you join this broker. Contact me with your account balance as well as your contact number on WhatsApp or email, and then get the help from my side and get start the milking the forex market. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much for watching this video.